It is another big day for Riverside County with more coronavirus vaccines being distributed nationwide and here at home. According to the county, just hours ago, the first doses of the Pfizer vaccine was administered to a housekeeping staff member and a doctor at Riverside University Health Medical Center. Meanwhile, yesterday morning, the first shipment from Pfizer arrived at Desert Regional Medical Center in Palm Springs. That's when 5 medical professionals received the vaccine, becoming the first in the valley to do so. News Channel 3's Shelby Nelson is live at Riverside University Health System Medical Center in Moreno Valley with more on this milestone. Shelby.
Well, Angela, a pretty surreal experience. It is right here where some of those county healthcare workers are receiving some of those first Pfizer vaccines that just arrived. Now, at last check, about 35 doses were administered, and healthcare officials tell me that 60 to 70 more will be administered today. In total, RUHS here, this hospital has received 1,900. Now, I do want to show you some of the video that we received earlier from the county. It's some of the first recipients to receive this vaccine earlier today. We were not able to go inside, but the county did provide the video. People were cheering and clapping after one by one. Doctors, nurses, a housekeeper that works in the emergency and ICU all got their shots today. Now, this is part of the first phase of administering the vaccine, and it is going to healthcare workers that are dealing with the sickest of the sick. That includes those that work in the ICU, emergency rooms, and skilled nursing facilities, among other areas. Now, earlier, county officials and healthcare workers came together at RUHS to talk about their experience in getting the vaccine. Many believe this is a symbol of hope in a pandemic that has caused so much grief.
With the arrival of the first shipment of the COVID vaccine, today marks the beginning of a new chapter for our county. Importantly, the vaccine offers a practical pathway out of the pandemic. However, it is likely that things will get worse before they get better.
Now, although this is a symbol of hope, Dr. Leung says if numbers continue to trend the way they've been going, they could see 1,800 to 2,000 hospitalizations by this time next month. He says it would be unsustainable for hospitals. Now, as for those receiving these vaccinations, healthcare workers are monitoring them anywhere from 15 minutes to an hour. That depends on their allergic reaction history in the past, if they have had any allergic reactions to any vaccines, but they are going to continue to monitor. So far, I'm told there are no adverse effects for anybody that has received these vaccines thus far. For now, live in Moreno Valley, I'm Shelby Nelson, News Channel 3.